Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Hyundai iX35 2.0 CRDI. The AC compressor in this car is located on the bottom of the engine, so in order to get access to it, first we need to remove the engine under tray, this side cover, and then we're going to remove the serpentine belt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, this is the tensioner right there. We need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise, and it will loosen enough so that we can remove the serpentine belt. There's also a hole on the tensioner where we're going to put this pin on, so that it holds the tensioner in place while we remove the serpentine belt. This pin is going into two holes, one on the tensioner and the other one on the rear side of the tensioner, and that's how it holds the tensioner, so that we can remove the serpentine belt. Now that the belt is removed, we can start removing the AC compressor, which is right there. The AC compressor is held by three bolts, one there, one on the top right there, and one on the rear of the compressor. It's located right there. We also need to remove the electrical connector. Before removing the AC lines, make sure you've taken out all the freon from the AC system, because otherwise it will all come out when you remove the AC lines. To remove the AC lines, best way is first to remove the three bolts holding the AC compressor, also the electrical connector, and then we're going to bring down the AC compressor. We'll have more space to remove the bolt holding the two AC lines. That's the three bolts removed. Now I'm going to use a pry bar to remove the compressor from its place, and we're going to bring it down so that we can get access to the bolts holding the two AC lines. We're going to bring down the AC compressor a little bit more. We need to first disconnect the electrical connector if you haven't disconnected it yet, and then we'll have access to the AC lines. Now that I've brought the compressor all the way down, now we have access to the two bolts holding the AC lines. The bolts are right there, they're actually nuts. Two nuts are right there, we need to remove them and take out the AC lines, and then we're done with removing the AC compressor. Replacing it is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.